Hello friends, welcome. Happy New Year. Thank God for 2021. On today's video, I am going to give you some tips on how to start a YouTube channel in 2021. So stay tuned. Welcome to the Mastermind Influencer Team. The host is Miss Lady Phoenix. We have Miss Stephanie from Miss Creative, Miss Me. We have Miss Grandma Sandy, and we have a new member, Melissa from Buckeyed, Girls, Wreath, and Things. So thank y'all so much for joining us. On today's Mastermind Influencers Team, I am Penny, and I am going to share with you what I've learned along the way. I am not a professional, but I am a creator of YouTube, and I love to share what I've learned with you. The very first tip that I want to share with you is before you start YouTube, make sure that you get knowledge about YouTube. Make sure that you research. Make sure that you know what you are getting into. I'm going to be honest with you, YouTube takes a lot of time to build. It's not an overnight fix. It's going to take time to build. Whether you're coming on YouTube for just a hobby or whether you're going to come on to make it a business. But it's going to take time for you to build your channel. So the first thing you need to do is research. Google is a great resource for your research. So use Google. It has all the information you need about YouTube. You have to really take time and research. Knowledge is power. When I first did my channel, I did not research the do's and the don'ts of YouTube. So when I got into YouTube, there's a lot of things I learned along the way. The second thing, if you want to start a YouTube channel in 2021, is to get a niche. A niche is a passion, anything that you're passionate in doing. But remember, on YouTube, there is a lot of competition. So be unique. Bring something that you know nobody else is doing. And it's all right sometimes if you're still yet doing something that somebody else is doing. But just put your special touch on it. Because I want to help you along. Guys, it's not easy. When you first start, you might get a little frustrated. You may get struggle. You might struggle a little while. But who knows? You might just take off. You never know. It just depends. Third thing, after you have find your niche and your passion, and you have researched all the information and knowledge, and you may have asked some questions on some friends and someone who might know a little about YouTube. The next thing you're going to need is your equipment. And what you can use as a beginner is just use your cell phone. Now I have an iPhone and I use iMovie as my editing tool. Friends, it's best to learn how to edit first before you upload your video. And I know you're going to have to learn how to upload your video. First, learn how to edit a video. So before you begin to want to upload your video, make sure that you make a home movie just for you and your family. And try editing. Now it's going to take some time. There are some great videos and some creators, if you do the research on YouTube, that will teach you how to edit your video. And will also teach you how to upload the video. See guys, it's a lot in doing a YouTube channel. But you're going to have to learn how to edit. You got to understand quality is better than quantity. because you want to make sure that your video has great sound. You want to make sure that your video has lighting. And when you first start as a YouTuber, you may not have the money to buy expensive lighting or equipment, but you can use natural lighting. I am using a ring light. And this ring light I bought from Amazon. I think it was no more than about $15 to $18 or maybe $10. But I know it was not that much. So make sure that you learn how to edit. Once again, I'm going to say this again. Let your family, your judge, because they're going to be your greatest critic. Guys, my first video, my children actually laughed at me. I laughed at it too. Let me tell you something. When you're doing YouTube, doesn't guarantee that you're going to get support from your families and friends all the time. But most of the time, they're going to be the first ones that's going to be your subscribers. So on YouTube, yes, you're going to need subscribers to grow. You're going to need some subscribers. Once you have learned, you have got your niche. Once you have got your equipment. And my next tip, guys, I believe it's the fourth, I'm not sure. But my next tip is make sure you choose a name that fit your channel. This name is the name that's going to stick with you as your channel grows. So take time, guys. Take your time and write down everything that you're going to need for YouTube to start a channel in 2021. Now, let me get back to the subscribers. Yes, you're going to need subscribers to grow. Whether you're doing this for hobby, whether you're going to turn this into a business. Because I've heard some people say, well, I didn't know that you could make money on YouTube. I was only doing this for a hobby. So choose a name that will fit your channel. Make sure you choose a name that you are pleased with. So take time, guys, and be serious about this as a creator. Because when your name get out there, that's, don't choose nothing like Gorilla Man. I'm just making an example. People gonna know you as Gorilla Man, because then when you get 100,000 subscribers, they're like the Gorilla Man. So, and it's not that you can't change your name later on, but just take time to choose the right name. Take time to learn editing. Take time to know the do's and don'ts of YouTube. And also, guys, if you want to make money on YouTube, you're going to have 1,000 subscribers to get monetized, and you're going to have 4,000 hours. I know that sounds like a lot, but I'm telling you, you can do it. As a creator and a beginner, I want you to understand this takes time. You're going to have to take time with your baby. I'm talking about this channel, your channel. You're going to have to take time. It's going to take time for it to grow. You're going to have to spend time learning. You're going to have to take time learning different techniques as your channel grows. Okay? So I hope that this is helping you guys. I am a YouTube motivator. I decided to stick with the YouTube motivator because I love to motivate. Yes, I do different things on my channel. I have a lifetime channel. I do decorations and some DIYs and different other little things. But one thing that really inspired me on my channel was to motivate others and to help others. This is something that I love to do. So I had to bring it on my YouTube channel. So like I said, do what's passionate. Do what you love. Do what you love. And as you grow, you will get confident, guys. Some people might tell you, get in front of the camera, get on your video. But it's going to take time for you to get that confidence to get in front of the video. It took me a little while. Now I got my confidence. Yay! Because people have been successful on YouTube not getting in front of the camera. But it's going to take time. You can make videos as a creator without getting in front of the cameras, okay? So make sure now you do that research and connect with others, guys. When you start your channel, do not try to do self for self. Take time and watch the videos. And some of them are a little longer than others, but watch as much as you can. Then subscribe. Then comment on the end of the video, because it will hold your subscribe. I want to make sure I teach y'all that and share that with you, because a lot of people don't even realize it now today why their channel get purged from subscribers. It's because you're not doing it right. You're gonna have to watch their video. If you can, watch it to the end. But if it's a long video, watch at least 5 or 7 minutes of the video. Then comment. Because YouTube is a community. YouTube want us to watch each other videos as creators, and as other people come on and join. Watch the videos. It's not like Facebook, guys. We can just, tap the friend request. It's not like Facebook. It's so different than Facebook. It's so different than Instagram. I have a Facebook and an Instagram, and I will put that in the description box, guys. It is so different. Yes, you're going to have to work here, guys. Yes, you're going to have to stick with it. And also, my last tip is, when you first start out, decide on what days is best for you. Whether you upload weekly or whether you upload twice a week. So friends, I thank you so much for watching my channel on today. I hope you go back and watch all of my YouTube sisters, and I will definitely have the channel listed. Guys, I wish that I knew all of this before I started my channel. So I'm sharing this with you guys today, and I hope that you be successful. I hope that you be blessed. And if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to comment and ask. I will be glad to help you for what I've learned. I want to thank Miss Lady Phoenix for putting this together. I hope y'all had a blessed coming to the new year and looking for greater things through this year. I love y'all from Penny. Thank y'all so much for watching. And before I leave, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have. Thank God for all of my faithful subscribers. I love y'all. Y'all be blessed until we meet again on my next video. Bye-bye from Penny.